Witnesses wrapped up testimony today in the trial of a Massachusetts mother accused of strangling her 3 children. With closing arguments tomorrow and the jury's deliberation to follow, 6 News Night anchor Lori Tucker brought in WATE legal analyst Greg Isaacs to find out how a central issue in this case depends on the law covering the insanity defense.
Greg, glad you're with us today.
Lori, it's good to be here.
Final witnesses taking the stand today in the trial of the mother charged with killing her 3 children. Whether she strangled the children isn't the question. We know she did it. The central dispute in this case focuses on what was in Lindsay Clancy's head at the time. So, Greg, explain how state of mind matters so much.
It matters everything in a case like this. The prosecution called 70 witnesses, spanned 3.5 weeks, 4 days of defense proof, but it is the battle of the experts. And Lori, here's what that jury is going to be tasked with. Massachusetts, and let's just generalize, a blue state, has a much different standard than Tennessee or other conservative southern states. And what has to happen for Kevin Reddington to win, he has to prove that Lindsay Clancy was suffering from a serious mental illness and that she couldn't conform her requirements, her conduct to the requirements of the law, but the state has to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that she was sane. Now remember that. The state has to prove beyond a reasonable doubt she was sane after hearing from witness after witness, hearing that she went to 6 different specialists in 4 months, was on 13 antipsychotic drugs, had suicidal ideation. Now, fast forward, if this case was being tried in Tennessee or another southern state, then you have to prove your client's suffering from a serious mental disease or defect first. Second, they couldn't appreciate the wrongfulness or nature of their conduct, but the defense has to prove by clear and convincing evidence that she was legally insane at the time.
Just a vast difference.
Right. So the state's got to prove sanity in Massachusetts. Most states, it's the other way around. And Lori, even some states, Kansas, Montana, Idaho, Utah, have done away with the insanity defense. But it's going to be riveting to see what that jury does. Closing arguments are tomorrow.
And then what happens? So Friday, ostensibly, the judge will direct the jury.
He'll charge the jury
and
then decide whether they start deliberations. But, you know, if you're on that jury, God, you are tasked with an emotional, just monolithic decision. And think about the 3 children that were strangled to death, ages 5, 3, 8 months. Then you see the woman who tried to kill herself, cried for help, suffering from, according to defense experts, serious postpartum psychosis, sitting there in a wheelchair after she cut her wrist, sliced her throat.
Called a suicide hotline
jumped
twice.
out a second-story window and is now a paraplegic. That jury room and deliberations are going to be emotional. They're going to be heated. And but at the end of the day, clearly no winners in this case.
Absolutely not. And again, top of mind are those 3 little children.
Prayers and thoughts to the remaining family.
Yeah. All right. Greg, thank you.